This is Rob with Nexus Property Management, New Haven County at 117 Lloyd Street, Unit 3. Here is the main bedroom. Nice square bedroom, as you can see. Because it's square, it gives you a lot of different options of however you want to set this bedroom up, wherever you want to put your bed or however you see fit. Here is some storage space. It's pretty deep. Nice bright view over or in view of the Pearl Harbor Bridge. As you can see, we're on this end of Lloyd Street. Decent space. Walk-in space. From the entrance, you may want to set things up, of course, to your own liking. This is a 2-bedroom apartment. Here's bedroom number 2. Nice sized bedroom. And pretty big closet space, allowing you to use it. They have racks already set up for you. And here is the kitchen. Nice pantry, decent size. Nice black refrigerator. Brand new stove, it looks like. Gas stove, still has the tags on it, or the stickers on it. Here's some space over here in the kitchen. And if you're somebody who likes paying attention or being aware of your surroundings, you can see a clear view of what's going on outside. From this angle, here is the bathroom. And here's some more space over here. Use it however you like. Here's a similar view to the last one. Nice view from the bathroom. That's amazing. Here is some more space over here. There's even doors in this space, allowing for privacy or however you may need. There's also space in here. And also in here, you get a different view of the area. You can see what's going on clear this way and even this way. This is 117 Lloyd Street, Unit 3. There is on-street parking here at this unit. There are also laundry hookups here. Again, 117 Lloyd Street, Unit 3. This is Nexus Property Management, New Haven County.